What's up, MKJ? Back with another video. Y'all, it's about to snow, y'all. Y'all, it's about to snow. Y'all, like, right now, it's not snowing right now, y'all. Like, but yeah, we're gonna vlog everything. Like, do y'all see that? Y'all, he being an eater. Y'all brought the wrong thing outside. I can't even sit y'all up, bro. All right, y'all. Yeah, we gonna be back for real, for real. Yeah. Shake your dress, shake your dress, shake your dress. All right, y'all. I need to go get my gloves from out the car. It's the next morning, you guys. And we got a lot of snow, y'all. He about to make a potion. Don't do that.
I'm about to build a snowman.
How you gonna do that in this type of snow?
What you mean?
I don't know how to make a snowball.
Oh, they ain't fighting this time.
This nigga, this boy ignorant.
Chill out, I can't run.
What the? So how everybody else was making their snowmans and stuff?
It's so cold. Oh my lord, I almost fell. Y'all, it is freezing out here. Bro, you look stupid.
Am I making it?
No.
It's not.
Then you doing that in my clothes.
It is a snow angel. You see it?
Oh yeah, it's a little something.
Oh, you know what I'm about to make?
That's a fat snow angel.
Y'all want to see what I made? Can y'all see it?
Yeah, you ain't doing right.
Because the snow
it's
too
like-
thick. It's beginning to look a lot like. Look, y'all, look at the snow sickles.
Like from summer, December.
I mean, January is still. Bro, what is you doing? I got this on camera, so if you throw something at me, I will call the police. Stop! Y'all about to make a potion.
I'm gonna save this snow for next year. Cause we ain't gonna have no more. I'm gonna just take this whole thing.
Don't do that. They got their Jeep riding up high. Yeah, y'all, this is the daily life in Savannah, Georgia. If y'all live in Savannah, Georgia, I know y'all enjoying the snow right now. But yeah, I'm about to go in the house in a minute. My head hurting. Y'all look at the icicles. Poor old basketball. So y'all, the snow is melting. It's about to be gone. And he outside with no jacket on.
It ain't cold like that no more.
Yo.
It's still cold, but it ain't cold like how.
Y'all look like a y'all ever watch those games? What game I was playing? When they had to shoot the polar bears? Y'all ever play games and they be looking just like this? The backyard. Y'all see the backyard? We in the backyard, y'all.
Yeah, we got a big backyard.
Y'all backyard is big. I just noticed that.
Yeah, a big old backyard.
Cause you know when it's not snow back here, I don't come all the way back here. That's the furthest I go. Everything else,
We got that whole corner over there. It was a car over there. It was 2 cars over there. It's cold.
it's getting cold outside. I'm gonna have to cuff up. But yeah, y'all, the snow about to be gone. It should have stayed at least for about 2-3 days. Look at them driving in the snow. Got snow all on their car.
And y'all, we is not in Florida. We in Savannah.
Yeah, we're in
Because
Savannah.
people keep thinking it's just Florida that got snow. Not just Florida.
We're in Savannah, Georgia. Seaport 912. Yeah, but it's hard now.
And then right here gets snow.
It sounds like some Italian ice. Yeah, I wasn't digging in my nose. That's my piercing. I got L shapes because I can only manage to keep L shapes in my nose. Yeah, I'm going back in the house. It is cold. It is cold. Hey, y'all, look. I know you lying.
Hey, running in the snow.
What the hell?
Hey.
I guess she said she had to get her her little jogging. I was about to say, I was about to run in the house because y'all, this what the turtles was.
Yep. Straight ice now.
They would have been froze up in they little shells. Yeah, y'all, this the end of the vlog. So we just wanted to show y'all the little snow we had got or whatever. So yeah, y'all.
There ain't nothing else going on, man.